Okay, let's be real. You don't need another detox. You don't need to drink cayenne lemon water for 30 days. And you definitely don't need to ban all carbs like it's 2003 again. What you need is a sustainable reset, one that helps you feel better, not just look better. One that simplifies your plate, re-energizes your body, and actually fits into your real life. So today I'm walking you through what to keep and what to ditch this spring for real science-backed fat loss that actually lasts. So let's talk about why now is the perfect time to reset. There's something called the fresh start effect, and it's a proven psychological phenomenon. On that, we show that we're more likely to adopt new habits around landmarks, birthdays, Mondays, New Year's, and yes, spring. You've got longer days, more light, higher serotonin, and that means more energy, more optimism, and more momentum. Plus, the seasonal food shift spring brings in like lean proteins, fiber-rich produce, and bright flavors that naturally supports fat loss. And here's my favorite part. This is your calm before your summer chaos. So instead of waiting for June to panic diet, let's build the foundation now. Think of this as spring cleaning for your kitchen, your metabolism, and your mindset. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amanda, and my channel is where we discuss all things weight loss, motivation, and self-care. If you're ready to level up your game, go subscribe and click that notification button to get the newest uplifting videos that are released every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Sodas, fancy lattes, fruit juices, sweetened smoothies, they all sneak in hundreds of calories without filling you up. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition actually found that liquid calories don't trigger the same satiety signals in your brain as food translation. You drink them and you still feel hungry. So you swap in flavored sparkling water, black coffee, greens, powders, or infused water with fruit and mint. And those is what can actually help you on the healthier side. So hyper-processed diet snacks, think protein cookies, 100-calorie popcorn packs, artificially sweetened bars. Research from the NIH actually found that participants who ate over 500 extra calories per day when on a processed diet, these foods actually overstimulated your brain reward center and confused your hunger cues. Now for real food intake, low-calorie snacks, you can better swap out for Greek yogurt and berries and apple, almond butter, air-popped popcorn with cinnamon. And here's the big one, the mindset trap. I ate a cookie, so I've already messed up. Might as well as eat 5 more. Does that sound kind of familiar? This is a black and white mindset. And this is what keeps you stuck in the binge restrict cycle. So the fix is self-compassion. Now, a study by Dr. Kristen Neff showed that self-compassion, not shame, actually leads to more consistent healthy behaviors. And she says to say this to yourself the next time: I'm not off track, I'm learning how to pivot. So if you keep saying that over and over to yourself, you can start to transition your mind into being more consistent with self-compassion. So carbs aren't the enemy. The right ones are actually your best friend. So think lentils, oats, berries, quinoa, sweet potatoes. They're actually high in fiber, which slows down the digestion, balances your blood sugar, and keeps you full longer. Now, according to Harvard researchers, high fiber eaters tend to weigh less, eat less, and have better insulin sensitivity. Win-win, right? Well, this is your fat loss foundation. Protein builds lean muscle, keeps hunger hormones like ghrelin in check, and has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. So you want to kind of aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilograms of body weight. That's about 100 to 150 grams for most women. Now go-tos for this are eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken breast, tofu, cottage cheese, and turkey. Now, yes, fats are higher in calories, but they're essential for hormone balance, brain function, and long-lasting satiety. Now just keep portions in check. A thumb of nut butter, a drizzle of olive oil, a few slices of avocado. A Brigham and Women's study found women who consumed moderate amounts of healthy fats actually lost more weight than low-fat dieters. You don't need a new meal plan every week. You need a repeatable formula. Now here's a spring reset plate. A fourth lean protein, a half colorful veggies, and a fourth high fiber carb. One thumb-sized serving of healthy fats sample and one thumb-sized serving of healthy fats. Now for an example, your breakfast could look like Greek yogurt plus chia seeds, blueberries, and your lunch could be grilled chicken, lentil salad with olive oil, vinaigrette dressing, and a snack could be a hard-boiled eggs with cucumber slices, and dinner could look like you could have baked salmon, roasted carrots, quinoa. Now, to make this easy, just shop once a week. Prep for 2 to 3 days at a time. Keep 2 to 3 frozen emergency meals ready, like egg muffins, stir-fry kits, soups, things like that, so it's easy to pull out on a whim. So having things easy and on the side for emergencies is the best way to go because you never know what life will bring you. So fat loss isn't about grinding harder, it's about designing smarter. So start with a kitchen audit. Get rid of trigger foods, put healthy foods in sight. Batch prep ingredients, not full meals, but just like chopped veggies, cooked grains, pre-grilled protein, and try theme days to simplify, like Taco Tuesdays, Salad Jar Wednesdays, Protein Pancake Sundays. And for your snack roll, pair proteins with fiber or fats, like apple plus peanut butter, carrots plus hummus, Greek yogurt plus walnuts. Consistency doesn't come from motivation, it comes from systems. Now here's what I have personally learned. You're not doing a challenge, you're becoming someone who eats to feel strong, have a clear mind, feel energized, and that's the identity shift. From I'm trying to lose weight to I'm someone who honors her body with food. Now this concept comes from the James Clear Atomic Habits, identity-based goals, which equals more sustainable change. So even when you're tired, busy, or PMSing, your identity carries you. And having a morning mantra like I nourish my body because I respect my future self is a great way to start your day and put productivity in line for the whole entire week. So try these simple steps out in order to reinvent the new you, basically. So if you're ready to clean up your diet this spring, don't start with extremes. Start with your plate, start with your mindset, start with your system, and then your body will follow. You can download the free Spring Reset grocery list plus meal builder link that is below in my description, and subscribe for weekly weight loss strategies rooted in real science and real life. Drop a flower in the comments if you're ready for this reset, and share your wins with a friend who's ready to spring clean their diet as well. If this video gave you the reset that you have been needing, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and this tells the algorithm that we are in our glow up era. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so happy that you are here in my community, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.